Hello guys, say goodbye to the days of endless ingredients hunting and prep chaos. We are embracing the ease of pre-prep meals, the ultimate game changer for individuals on the go. Join the journey to hassle-free and delicious dining. Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of ingredients? Drowning in lots of dishes and wondering where your time went? I get it. From selecting and buying ingredients, washing to slicing, chopping, and the endless cleanup of utensils. It's a kitchen saga. Well, this is me, where I usually end up buying extra ingredients, struggling in washing used utensils, prepping, and cooking. But hey, thanks to spring, that is now a thing of the past. Now let's talk about simplifying our culinary adventures. Because who needs wasting food ingredients and ending up with a mountain of dishes, right? So let's savor more and stress less. Choosing pre-prep recipe package is a practical approach that streamlines the cooking process. It minimizes the hassle of ingredient shopping, reduces utensils usage, and eliminates the time-consuming preparation steps. It's a time-efficient and convenient solution for those seeking balance between home-cooked meals and simplicity in the kitchen. It's the way to go. Say goodbye to the days of endless ingredient hunting and prep chaos. We are embracing the ease of pre-prep meals, the ultimate game changer for individuals on the go. Join me in my journey to hassle-free delicious dining. This is a home cooking revolution. Experience a new era of culinary convenience with spring thoughtfully curated kits. Each ingredient is pristine, clean, and sanitized, and meticulously prepped and portioned, sealed in eco-friendly, biodegradable packaging as well. For seamless cooking, every component is numbered, turning our kitchen into a heaven of simplicity. So let's unbox, unwind, and savor the joy of stress-free, sustainable cooking. Let's make a baked salmon with pesto crumb. Let's begin by bringing a medium pot of lightly salted water to a boil and place the baby potatoes and boil for about 6 to 8 minutes until cooked through. In a baking pan, let's mix the onion wedges and cooked potatoes and drizzle with olive oil and season with Italian seasoning and paprika powder. Place the salmon fillet in another baking pan and evenly spread the pesto crumb on top of each fillet. Place the whole cherry tomatoes around the dish. Now let's bake together for 12 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through. Meanwhile, add the green beans and cook for 3 to 4 minutes in a lightly salted boiling water. Drain and season with Italian seasoning. Lay the green beans and roasted spiced potatoes on half of the plate. Place the baked pesto salmon fillet next to the mixed veggies and dot the roasted cherry tomatoes around the dish. Serve with a slice of lime on the side for squeezing over. You can season it with salt and pepper as you like, and enjoy.